Hi everyone, so today we are going to talk about something very simple, but most people get confused here. That is unless versus if not. Yes. So let me clear one thing very honestly, using if not is not wrong, but using unless will make you look more sharper, polished, and clear. Okay, so let's understand it with very quick comparison. If you don't call me, I will get upset. And the same sentence with unless becomes unless you call me, I will get upset. If you don't study, you will fail. Unless you study, you will fail. So did you notice meaning बिल्कुल same है but structure change है. But here is where people make mistakes sometimes. A lot of people say unless you don't study, you will fail. But this sentence is completely wrong. Why? Because unless already has a negative meaning, and using not or don't with unless is completely wrong. So avoid it. But using if not feels more natural sometimes when you're doing casual conversation and speaking fast English. Whereas if you want to look more polished or fluent, use unless next time. I'll see you in the next video.